Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to finally crafting the first video of the year for finally crafting it 2026. You guys, so yeah, if you guys are wanting to come back and craft and haven't crafted in a while, or you just want to craft something, a die, anything that you want to oh my goodness, you just haven't had, had a chance to craft with, or just had it, something's sitting there like stamps, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, you're welcome to join us. We are, me and Tree from Craft On are doing open collab, and it's open to anybody that wants to join at any time during the year or the time. And basically it's every third Wednesday of the month. Anyway, so yeah, just you're welcome to join in. So I had this oh my goodness, these little 6x6, and I've had them for a while, and I finally decided, you know what, I need to use these up. So what I ended up doing is, because I'm always looking for cards, like, oh my goodness, cards to like send to people. So I ended up cutting these at 3 and using them up, and this is what I came up with. um these are not totally finished. I still have to like add little bits and things here and there. So this is one of them. Used up what is it called, wording dies that I've had, or something people have gifted me. So these are some of them, and here you go. I just have to add diamond dots, or little stuff on them. And yeah, so just easy, fast, and easy to make. So that is what I ended up making this time. I also wanted to do a small VR for Pebbles from Coelita's Creations here on YouTube. She is having a challenge going on. It's for ATC coin, and I just made this really quick. I hadn't made anything in a while, so this is what I made. I just actually used a lot of my die cuts that I've had um, at home, and yeah, just used it up, and that is what I am sending her for my ATC. Hopefully she likes, and thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.